What's up, yo gang? Welcome back to the channel. I am super excited today. I did put up a poll about a couple days ago asking what was it that you guys would rather see. It was either the Desert Eagle 50AE or the SIG P365 XL, and the Desert Eagle won. So you know I had to bring it out, and we are gonna go. This is my first time actually shooting a Desert Eagle. It is my Desert Eagle, but it's my first time shooting it. So I'm really excited. I have wanted this for a very, very long time. They are extremely hard to find. You can find the 44 or the other calibers in it, but actually the 50AE is not easy to find. And I got my hands on one, and I am ready to put it to work. So stick around. I'm almost to my destination, and let's do it. Gang, we are here. What is that? We are here, and I am super excited. I have been wanting a Desert Eagle for forever, and I finally got my hands on one. Finally, there's so many different styles and colors and just all type of stuff that you can find for the Desert Eagle. And luckily I did find exactly the caliber that I wanted. I wanted the 50AE. I did not want the 44. I did not want the 357. I wanted the 50AE. So it took me a little longer to find this particular one, and I want to share it with you. Take a look at this. Beautiful, straight out of the box. Let me see. Give me 1 second. It's easier if I do it with the magazine. The magazine is empty, but I can lock the slide easier that way. There she is. Desert Eagle 50AE stainless steel with the 6-inch barrel. Y'all already know this right here ain't nothing to play with. And what I also find so interesting is the Desert Eagle, the whole setup on the pistols are exactly the same for all three calibers. The only thing different is obviously the weight, because the rounds and stuff weigh differently, and the quantity of rounds that the magazines hold, and the bore size. But everything else is exactly the same, and I thought that was pretty cool. All right, the overall length is 10.75 inches. So she is extremely, obviously the slide is open, so let me give you a better visual. 10.75 inches. The slide width is 1.25 inches. And the weight on her is, for this empty, is 4.7 pounds. 4.7 pounds. That is like a preemie. So this is weighing as much as a tiny human. But yes, stainless steel. We have the upper rails, the Picatinny rails on top if you want to add an optic. We got rails on the bottom if you want to add your flashlight, red dot, or whatever. We got the ambidextrous safety. It looks like the mag release can also be ambidextric. Yeah, it does. It has this sick rubber grip on it, which is extremely, I mean, it's for it to be as big and thick as it is, they couldn't have gone any thicker with the actual grip. It does have a hammer on it, and it comes with a 7-round magazine plus 1, so it would be 8. Horn D is our ammunition. Let's take a look at this round. Wow. In a handgun. In a handgun. All right, so let me get suited up. It rained, so y'all already know it get real muddy out here. I got my boots. I'm gonna put them on, get my eye and hearing protection, so don't go far. Let's get this party started. I told y'all it rains every day. You'll never come here and this place is dry.
We're getting better. Yeah, so.
My target.
We're gonna go 16.
Hello? Hey. Isn't she beautiful? Oh my God. Look how pretty that looks. Ooh. Magazine is very tight. Yeah, one more. All right. I don't want to overload, but that's 7
20 each, right?
into this beauty.
20 each? 20 each, yes. It's nice to learn young. Yeah. Safety and everything. It's my second time.
I did make another purchase. So we're ready now. Super soft. They have grips in it. Really nice. All right, let me give you my first impressions on this. On this monster. She's not loaded. We load at the line. Desert Eagle, 50 cal, 50 AE. Not bad. I'm not sure what happened. Safety on. Not sure. That one. That showed me. I guess, okay. No, something's not right. Hold on. Eric, I was just telling the people how good you are to me, how you always got me covered and you make sure I'm all right.
I treat everybody that way.
All right. So y'all come check Eric
But
out.
you are special.
I am I'm a little more special than anybody
A little
else.
more. It's pretty much a lot better. Most guns I know exactly where to oil. This is like different. Not like a regular gun.
Nice.
Okay, but try again.
All right. Let's.
Hold it firm. Use, of course, but that helps it cycle.
Okay. Good grip on it because she is huge. Okay.
The battery.
She needed a spanking.
That's it.
No, she needs more than a
Safety?
spanking. Okay.
Oh, it came off. It's strange.
Grip is important. I can feel that I don't have it tight enough.
Again. Needs to be spanked again.
There it is.
No, I don't think it went in the back. No, it doesn't look like it. Doesn't look like it went in the back.
No, it didn't.
Wow. Holy shit.
Isn't it
I
amazing?
think a shell got you.
Yeah, it did.
Jeez. I don't know how the hell you're shooting that thing. It just pushed me.
Girl power.
You got it.
All right, we got 2 more left in the mag.
That's in case a rhino's charging at you.
Yeah, definitely. All right, she closed all the way. Get my grip.
Looks like it went in the battery, yep. That was it.
And she stayed open, so she's doing what she's supposed to do. Yoke gang, hey, she's clear. She's clear. This is an experience in itself. Let me put 7 in, and hopefully she'll cycle and run a little better than she was doing. But we got to get at least 7 straight.
I think it's Jesse Ventura that says it.
Check
Because
that
I ain't
out.
got. It's a guy that says, "Hey, something about your bleeding." He goes, "I ain't got time to bleed."
Right. Let me see. I think I could get one more in here. All right. Yeah. The shell got your girl. But it's okay. Another war wound. They're all welcomed. 1, 2, 3. All right, we got 7.
You're gonna shoot 7 rounds for that?
Yeah.
Woo!
Let's do it. Hopefully I can get 7 straight.
I'm telling you, man. I felt one.
All right, 50 80, 300 grain. All right. Looks like we did it. All right, stay. She's here. Let's do 7 more. I had another one come back and hit me, but I'm not sure how it looks. But it's all right with me. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Isn't she beautiful? I just can't get over how impressive this firearm is. The size, the power, all packed into a handgun. I am super taken. So wellly made. Just holding it, you can feel the power of this piece. And I am loving it. All right, get my grip. heard that steel too, huh? All right, yo, gang. Let's just come back here and admire this really quick. You know, I always talk about how much I love everything that it is that I have. But I can tell you, I think I found my favorite. The recoil isn't, I mean, it's there, it's powerful, and it will, you will be able to feel it. But as far as it not being able, you not being able to control it, it's not true. As long as you have the proper grip, you can hold it. It's smooth. It's beautiful. I mean, I don't think there's anything messing with the 50 AE when it comes to a caliber. As far as concealing, that's going to be super hard, but I understand that some people do conceal it. You know, I think she deserves a space in my bag, in all honesty. The only thing that I am not too happy with is I can't, I'm not sure what's going on with the slide, why it's not meeting all the way forward. I'm having to tap it to push it forward. I'm not sure, but I will be consulting a gunsmith to see if it's anything that I can fix, if it's anything that I'm doing wrong, or something that I should have done before I got here. But besides that, this has to be one of my favorite purchases. Has to be. I'm just sorry I only brought one box of ammunition, but this was basically me just showing you and talking about it, and just letting you know how I felt about it. But don't go far. Right. We'll be right back. I knew I brought the bag, but I didn't realize that both boxes were in the bag. So we have another box. I was just comparing. I found this in the cup holder in the Jeep. 9mm 58. Crazy difference. Crazy. All right. Let's go. 7 in. So would this be considered a wrist breaker? I think so. I have quite a few of those. I think we should bring those out. Dang. All right, we got 7 more. And this beauty right here. I ain't even gonna lie to you. This really make me feel like I belong in like a James Bond type movie. This is taking me to another level.
That's a 500 or 50, I'm sorry.
Take a look. I'm not sure why I'm having so many issues, but this is not too much of a bad issue, but you don't want this to happen. Failure to eject. There's one in the head. safe. Slide didn't lock back. Not sure why, but I can't even. I don't have the strength to rack it and hold it back. If I put the magazine in it, it's a lot easier. She's clear. Magazine is empty. Let's go back to the table.
Got it.
Oh, right. Yeah, I still think they're still using it, yeah.
Who cares? It's a great
I'm going to get one day, the real deal.
Well, I got an M2.
Yeah, they're
Loving
nice,
these gloves.
I got an M2 and I got a Beretta 1301.
Yeah, the price is going down on them.
The M4 next.
Don't want to use
Yeah.
it. It has sand on it.
Going down. It's
Give me 1 second. Let me give the hand a little break. We'll be right back.
It shouldn't be, but if not, I'll get you guys some more.
Keep one. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5 left. How do I look? The safety's on. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You see right here? The slide is not meeting the barrel. See? Like it's supposed to. It's almost like it didn't have enough strength or power to push back forward. That one hit me again. She's clear. Yet another one. It's all right. All right, yo, gang, we're gonna wrap this up here. We're gonna go back to the truck and I'm give you my final thoughts. So stick around. Did you enjoy? I did. Very much so. Eric, I gotta get my bag.
How many did you shoot? You shot both?
Boxes.
Wow.
I'm telling you, I'm a strong kid.
I would have quit a while ago. Instead of gun, man.
All right, I'll be right back. All right, yo, gang, let me get myself together. Let me get him some of that good green stuff and talk about his money. Stick around for my final thoughts. I'll be right back. All right, so Yoki, what do you think of the Desert Eagle 50 AE? I love it. I love it, love it. It is so, my big thing is power. I like power, and this definitely has satisfied my power. I can't think of a good word. My power junkiness when it comes to a handgun, and I am so satisfied. Again, I was a little bit intimidated in the beginning because this was my first time ever shooting it, and I feel like I did well. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I just love everything about it. But Yoke Gang, we'll still think about that SIG P365 XL. That might be next, but you got to stick around to find out. I'll possibly make another poll and have you guys decide. I think I like that. It makes this a whole lot easier for me when you guys tell me what you want to do. But Yoke Gang, thank you so much for sharing this. Oh, it's a mosquito. Sharing this my first. I am gonna say it. My favorite pistol. My first time shooting my favorite pistol. Thank you guys. I love you guys so much. This is where it ends. Peace.